So yeah, I'm leaving, and I have my little Charles and Kira here waiting.
Yeah.
All right. So here's what I did this week. I started the framing here, but I ran out of spray foam, so I couldn't do this one. I need to do one window here. And I moved the AC. I moved the AC. You probably see it. So I did that. I didn't really do much with the stairs. I didn't have time. So I moved the AC like right here. With Kiera and my mom, they planted these, but I don't think they're gonna work. I think they're gonna die. I couldn't have a chance to install my jet pump, so well, on next time. We have plenty of those on our land, so I'll just take it. I installed another logo here, the one I've done in the past. So I need to Dreamstead YouTube channel. This plant here still survived. Whoops. This one here. So I'll probably buy a little bit more, especially when I have the sprinkler systems. And then the big thing this week was doing this this siding here. So I have a layer of spray foam all the way, and after that I have the HVAC, you know, the white paper that you special vapor barrier that I purchased in the past in mainland, and I got it shipped here, so I used it. And then I put 2x4 horizontal, because I'm gonna have 1x2 staggered. I'll show you on this video. So it's gonna be looking like this, right? So it should look pretty nice. 1x2, different shades of color. I have my light. I installed one more window here. My wife Marie Noël told me that would be nice to have another window, so I installed it. I had that window. In between I don't have windows because I'm gonna have a Murphy bed. So the front is the kitchen, the kitchen table and stuff with a Murphy a Murphy bed, and then you have the kitchen there where the window is, and here I have a room right there that goes all the way to that window, and then I have the bathroom here, and also got a plumber to come help me fix this. So next time I'm gonna have a friend of mine coming, another plumber, to come with the gas and have a central gas, because I use propane gas for the hot water, and obviously we have propane stoves, so I want to have like a connection. So I didn't do anything in the back except I moved the camera a little bit more, and also I installed a light on that window, so it looks good. Yeah, I clean up yesterday when I got the board, the plywood. Thanks, Mike. I cleaned up my area, so there's no more junk. Here eventually I will have, like when I start digging the septic here, the cistern, I meant. The cistern is gonna be right here, like right there. So when I start digging the cistern, I'm gonna take the dirt and I'm gonna put it all here. Try to rise it up a little bit. So yeah. Another project I did is I cut 4 coconut and I put it here inside a bucket. I don't know if you see the bucket right there. Inside a bucket to see if they would eventually grow. So we'll see. Let me show you a bit closer. So I come here. I cut a few branches. So right there. Right there. There's sun and stuff, but I don't know if they will grow, but we'll see. I'm gonna put a little bit more sand, actually dirt, so they're surrounded by dirt. So yeah, that's about it. That's the mangrove. It was full, but now it's so dry here, so it just, you know, these trees, they just suck up the water a lot. So yeah, that's about it. I also did the wall here same way, insulation, HVAC, plywood, but here I'm not gonna do so I have the window here, I have the AC here. I'm gonna put the main door, so yeah, the same design here. And my retractable stairs, Charles actually installed a 1x2. The reason why I don't put 2x4 like at the bottom is I want to see the beach, you know. I don't want to block the view. I like it when I see like there, right in the middle, you can see the beach, and it's good. It's you know, it supports people and stuff, and you know. So anyway, that's about it. It was a very good, productive week. Next time I come, I will likely start the wall. I'm not sure. Start the wall and start the inside. I will install a mini split. I'm gonna order it. The EG4 inverter mini split that works, that runs with solar panel. So they're a little bit more expensive. They're like $1,200. But the beauty of it is they run on solar during the day. So WAPA or not, it's working. And then you know, this way you can run it full time all the time, and it just runs on solar, so who cares, you know, it's free. So it's a bit more expensive to purchase, but it's worth the money. So check it out. I'll put the picture here. EG4 inverter. All right, ciao.